Hey guys, it's SCryptoTrader here. In this video, I'm going to bring you an opportunity that could be a huge one. Alright, you might not know about it, or you might already heard of it. You've seen the memes they've been posting. It's similar to Ponke, and there's a lot of things they're doing which made Ponke where it is right now, 200 million plus market cap. And I've been discussing that. If you've been following me on Twitter, on social medias, I've been talking about it for a while, and I did talk about it in my last videos as well. If you haven't watched those, do watch those. All the social media links are below. If you like the video, do like and subscribe as well, because I'm gonna bring you a quality contents and meme coins. Meme coins are the current meta, and that's where you're going to make the most money, because in crypto everyone jumps for money, no one jumps for technology. I'm telling you the truth, very few people do it. I've been here. If you watch my videos, my live videos go by 6 years before. Look, 6 years. I've been doing this for so long. So many new YouTubers coming up and they don't know shit. I've stopped uploading. So 1 year ago, because I don't really see a need, because I make my money not because of from the videos, it's from my own trading. So this is what I'm telling you. You're gonna believe when I say I know the stuff. Okay, I've created this Twitter account. That's when I started. Just before that I was told, if you want to follow the meta, the trends, go on Twitter. I was on Facebook only, and I started around 2015 era. So this is what I'm telling you. When I say something that looks very good and does have a potential, I mean it, right? This is a Donkey token. It's a unique the only big Donkey token right now that exists is with the history right now. Okay, a lot of tokens do launch, quick pump, and then rug and all gone. This is different. I'm telling you that. As I was saying, I've been trading for a while. Look at me, sharing online a live on Discord. When the price was down here 60,200, I shared on Discord. It was free Discord anyways. So yeah, all the trade. Look at the risk I've taken, the reward upside. Trust me, this token does have a huge potential. The Donkey token on Sol. Let me share with you why I think this does have a lot of potential, right? Let's click on the ticker and see what comes. The memes, that's what makes a token more fun. The memes, look at these memes. Okay, I've just randomly clicked the ticker. Look at the memes. Okay, this is what makes a token go viral. The chart, this is the CTO leader right now, and that's what bringing a lot of trust in the community. He does have 130k Binance followers on Binance Square, and he brings a lot of new followers when he writes article. The community trusts him a lot, so this is why you see people are holding strong and pushing it. They raid all day. If you go to the Donkey raid group, they're raiding all day, almost 24/7, guys. And this is why I'm saying that there will be more and more eyes coming on Donkey, and this is the place right now, sitting at just above 1 million, and there's a huge potential. It could go to 100 million in my opinion. If the bull run, we potentially see a ETF in Sol, and if the run keeps going, I believe we can see the huge run coming, because every time I've seen tokens that were down, people didn't believe them much, but when they start rising, everyone starts chasing them. A lot of people know about Donkey, but they're not buying, or they're not chasing it, or they're cheating it sometime when the price stays on one level for a while, which it did for like a week and a half now. This week was caused by a EMV front runner board, so ignore it. This was just one buy and sell quick one. The board did that. It wasn't the selling pressure anyways. I've explained that in my last video. So yeah, price is sitting at daily demand zone very nicely, and you can see a lot of buying coming. Yes, they're selling. This is what trading is, buying and selling. Eventually price will leave this area. Okay, it's a strong demand zone right now. When the price leaves this area, there won't be many sellers, because most of people that sold already, that did not have enough patience, those were not diamond hands. And I believe that there's a lot of potential in this token, because they started from nothing. Okay, I was checking the other day, they pumped to 150k initially with the sniping boards, pumped it and then dropped to 10k. So from 10k it went to 4 million plus. So that was huge already. If they done it once, then they did it again, because there's a supply burner thing. That's why the market cap doesn't go as high. It should be 3 million here, but it was to 2.5 million, because I've been in this for a while. I've explained it before. I've been trading this, I've been investing in this for a while, because I want to invest in something that's unique, that does have meme. The website, it looks very clean, very nice. They moved the logo, they rebranded themselves basically. There's a game they run, which is very nice game. If you're not familiar about the game, it's play to earn game, and this is fun. All right, I'm not gonna discuss about the game right now, but you can go play. There will be different rewards for that. They're listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Bitmart exchange, so that's pretty reputable again. They're everywhere. Okay, they're everywhere. Jupiter, Strictlist, a lot of things that are positive about this that I can keep going on, because I've been here looking at this project growing for a while. A lot of love of people, tokenomics. You got everything here. All right, you got everything. You can join their Telegram groups and see the very as I said, they have different raid group, which is far more active than the normal group, and sitting at 1.3 million. They did have push, I think 1.5 million roughly. 70k in liquidity, not bad. Yeah, 72k 24-hour volume is pretty good, in my opinion. So yeah, a lot of things going on there. Doing collabs with TikTokers, other social medias. I regularly see something going on. Crypto Mechanic is the one leading it, and does have 130k Binance Square follower. And I think he just said he's planning to do article on the announcement channel and Telegram. So it looks all good. They're putting effort every day. I see something new coming in this project, because I don't go in too many meme coins. It gets hard to track. Okay, when you're early in something good, you want to stick around. You don't want to jump around everywhere. And this is what most people see on PayPay or Ponke, Wave. Not everyone makes money, huge money. There's only like few people that will make a big money, and those are the ones that stick, hold their bags, and that's how it works. All right, it's very hard to hold your bags when you see something is moving and then it starts dipping a little bit. People get scared and they start selling it. They have a lot of memes. So if you go anywhere, let's just say I try to post it. All right, gifts. All right, if you write Donkey King Soul, they announced it. There's so many memes you can do on WhatsApp, Twitter, any platform. If you go on keyboard, if they have all related to Donkey, they've made the memes. And damn, it looks cool. It looks cool. They're putting the effort. That's what matters. All right, CTO leader of Doki here. It says Doki CTO leader. There's a name behind it, and if it was a rug or anything like that, it would have rugged by now anyways. So it's holding well. It's all trusted. So far, I've seen no red flags coming from them. They raised the fund for CMC listing because there was no pre-sale. They raised the fund for Bitmart. It was 30k plus, I think. And they invested. They did do what they promised. Everything went smooth, and as they promised, they collected the fund. They said, "Okay, we have enough fund. We'll stop it." And it was all smooth, guys. We were already kind of known each other before this, so I trust what he's doing. The effort he's putting. This is why I'm making this video and letting you guys know, my followers, that this is one of the good projects as well. Again, crypto, everything in crypto is risky, right? You want to put the money that you think you're okay to risk. Even myself, I only put the money in any trade anywhere. Even in exchange, a lot of exchanges go bust, like FTX. What happened to Luna? You don't know. I lost 100,000 in Luna in 3 days. So things happen, shit happens. But yeah, upside is unlimited, downside is limited. You lose a little bit, upside is 100x. You don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, a lot of these things come down to what you believe in. Okay, if you believe that, and you have to push it yourself. It's a community driven token now because there's a CTO leader. He's putting his effort. We all have to put our effort and make this a 100 million token. Yeah, I believe I've done my part, and if I'm gonna make money, I have a big bag of this. So this is why I want to make. It's not promotion video, guys. I have not been to do this. I'm just pushing it because I got the bag of this, and I want to see this to be successful at the same time. They are pushing. They are getting more videos. They recently did partnership with their TikToker as well, who does make video on different coins, and same as me. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I think chart looks amazing. I've been talking about this recently as well. I've been talking about on Twitter. Just follow my there's going to be a Linktree link. You open that, you'll see all the social media. You can follow me in anywhere you want, and I'll be keep you guys posted about whatever happens, the chart updates, and what I think. If you have any questions, just drop them below. I will let as much as I can. But yeah, remember, Ponke was made popular and it got famous just because of the memes they post. Okay, the memes do matter. These kind of memes, they are funny, people like them, they're attractive, they don't feel like shilling or spamming anyway. Funny memes do matter, and I've posted one of them as well. I'll share with you 1 second. Yeah, like this memes, meme coins lifestyle. I like memes like this when you have chat going on. And there was one guy had this meme like holding the money everywhere and like a call. But yeah, it's cool. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this, and I think I've given you enough details about this. I'm not going in such a deep details, but I'm giving you a rough idea. I want you to go do your own research, understand a little bit more about it, because it's good to do your own research, because you need to believe yourself in the token. Me saying I go buy it, it's not enough. I'm just bringing awareness here about Donkey token. This is the only big token when it comes to Donkey token. All the other animals had their run. I think Donkey deserves some love as well. Alright guys, peace, love, have a good day, and I'll see you in next video. Do like and comment and subscribe and follow me on social medias. Bye.